Alright guys, it's been a while, but we're finally back. Microsoft held an event where they featured their biggest release ever. They released their Copilot Plus PCs, equipped with not one, but two chip options, the Snapdragon X Plus and the Snapdragon X Elite. But they're just laptops. What's so great about them? Let me explain. In order to have this conversation, we need to get one thing straight. Apple has had the laptop with the best battery life, accompanied by great performance that money can buy. I'm a Windows user and I can admit that. Until now. Microsoft claims that their Copilot Plus PCs have a 22 to 23 hour video playback and is 58% faster than the M3 MacBook Air. But aside from this, there is something about these laptops that set them apart from the rest. AI. And I'm not exaggerating here. Microsoft is collaborating with OpenAI and using GPT-4o to change the game. Will you just tell me why these laptops are so great? The example that they used at the event was a user playing Minecraft. The user needed some help with the game, so he just asked Copilot for advice. Copilot was able to solve the issues. No, not just one issue, by simply looking at what was displayed on the screen. Copilot is also able to help you configure your Windows settings. Don't know how to install a printer? Connect to Wi-Fi? Download ransomware? Ransomware? No problem. Copilot is able to walk you through step by step. There's no need for IT guys anymore. Just received an email but don't have the time to reply to it? Copilot can answer the email for you with specific responses that correspond to the content of the email, and even include specific attachments like pictures, PowerPoints, and even Excel sheets. If that doesn't convince you, then maybe this next feature will. Recall. Recall? Yes, recall. Everyone has had a moment where they've misplaced a document, or even forgotten when and what they've looked up while browsing the web. Well, yeah, that's why we have browser history and file search. Yes, but recall is different. How so? Have you ever lost a document and completely forgot what you named and where you stored it? Recall will find it. As long as you remember the contents of the document or what the document pertains to, Recall will find it. And even if you delete your entire browsing history, you can ask Recall, hey, I was looking for some sunglasses the other day, but I can't remember what site it was on. Recall will help you find it. Think of Recall as activity history for all activity performed on the PC. But this sounds like a lot. Won't all of this AI slow down the computer? No, that's the beauty of it. Everything that we have just talked about lives natively on the PC. What did you just say? You heard me. All of these AI features don't need to go back and touch the cloud or the internet. This is mostly to protect any personal information from being leaked onto the internet. And don't worry, you'll be able to adjust all of these features if you don't like the feeling of being monitored while using your PC. But when you end up forgetting where you've stored certain documents, you might regret turning off these features in the first place. So what are my final thoughts on all of this? It's about time. I have an M1 MacBook Pro. It's the only Apple product that I use besides my iPhone. And I've worked with hundreds, if not thousands of Windows PCs. My MacBook outperforms any business class laptop. And not just that, my MacBook has all-day battery life, and that's just a fact. I go all day without needing to charge it. But when it comes down to my Windows laptop, I start panicking if I even forget my charging cable at home. But now Apple and Windows are on par when it comes to battery life. And with the new Snapdragon X Elite chip outperforming the M3 chip, it's a no-brainer if you love Windows PCs but are using a Mac because of these benefits. But what about AI? The AI is the cherry on top. But at some point, the world is going to have to accept that AI is going to be a part of our everyday lives. What Microsoft has done with Copilot and Recall is ideally how we imagine or want AI to work. We've all seen the movies where people ask AI, hey, I forgot what I did last weekend. Or even more specific, hey, I forgot the name of that guy on YouTube that tricked me into buying a Snapdragon laptop, and receive specific corresponding answers. If anything, you can say that the AI features is what puts Microsoft ahead of the pack. Apple hasn't done anything like this. Siri can't do this, and that's just a fact. But don't count Apple out yet. This might be the reason why they gave us a taste of the new M4 chip. Will they have an answer for Microsoft and slay the new Snapdragon X Elite? Stay tuned and join us next week at the June 10th Apple event live commentary. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to get your merch at hecticmedia.com to help support the channel. And follow us on all social media platforms. The giveaway is still going on and it's only a matter of time before I pick the winner. Just comment hashtag Hector Morfin and subscribe to win. And finally, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell notification icon. I'll see you guys next time.